I'm not here about to make you all focus on your studies. No. If we all focus those all beams into one single ray, one beam, it could cut the hardest diamond in this world. Bhaiya, beta, son, darling, lover, let us not pretend, let us not act right from this moment. Let us live in every action, let us live in every thought, let us live in every word, and let us focus and prove our life that what it is meant for. बेटा, लाइफ ऐसी चल रहा है, हम क्या फोकस कर रहे हैं, कहां पर फोकस कर रहे हैं? जस्ट थिंक ऑफ, आई एम नॉट हियर अबाउट टू मेक यू ऑल फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज. नो, आई एम नॉट हियर स्टैंड्स ओनली फॉर दैट. Even when you brush, focus while brushing. Even when you take bath, focus on your bathing. Even when you eat, focus on your eating. Even when you speak to your mother, father, focus on their love and their sacrifice. When you live, focus on your life. When you study, focus on the subject. When you write exam, focus on the question paper. When you sleep, focus on the relaxation. When you do anything, focus in it. Definitely there won't be any failure in your life. By God's promise, I'm telling that definitely you will achieve everything, whatever that you want in your life. There are some lights in this hall. Are there? If we all focus those all beams into one single ray, one beam, it could cut the hardest diamond in this world. It could cut the hardest diamond in this world. We are not focusing. We are pretending. We are great dramatists. We are great actors. Am I right or not? Let us be honest, at least at this juncture. Are we not pretending as if we are focusing? Bhaiya, beta, son, darling, lover, let us not pretend, let us not act right from this moment. Let us live in every action, let us live in every thought, let us live in every word, and let us focus and prove our life that what it is meant for. Really, you're superb man. When I was speaking in the other session, my tongue edge at the back of the throat, it was ruptured and blood came out of that rupture. And I told your beloved Dean, Sir, Raghu Sir, I can't speak another session. He told and he requested, Sir, please, they are having exams right from 4th. Your talk and your words may inspire them. Okay, one thing I thought in my mind, okay, this wound can be treated later, but the wounds of my beloved 800 sons, where they are bearing in their hearts right from several years, can't be wiped out, can't be treated if I don't go there, because it is not their work, it is God's work, and I came here and I have been speaking to you all. So what is needed? The first friend of us? The first friend of us? Can we do it? Yes, shall we do? Yes, from tomorrow? Yes, Dad. From today? Yes, no, Dad. From this moment. You want to go to shit? Go focus fully. You want to urinate? Do it focus fully. Yes, Do everything with focus. That will become penance. Yajna, tapas, tapas, tapas. It will become tapas. It will become penance if you do anything with utmost focus. The study which you study, the book which you read, the words which you spell, the thoughts which come to your mind, if you focus on that, it is not a work, it is called penance. What is it called? A tapas. Tap kar rahe hain. Tapas. It is called tapassu in Telugu. I don't know what it is called in Hindi. Okay. So, the study is not a study, it is a yajna. It is a, tell me, it is yajnam. Do you know that yajnam? The priests will do, they'll put some fire. Yajna, yagam, yajnam. Yes. While doing that yajnam, the priest or the swami or the rishi will sit near the yajnam and they call a piece of wood, it is called samidha. What do they call? Samidha. What do they call? They will put it in the ghee and it is called havisu. They will put it in the fire. Every moment of is a samidha. Every thought of us is samidha. Every act of is a samidha. We should put it in the ghee. We should put it in the, what is that it called? The ghee is nothing but love. We must add the fragrance of love. We must add the ghee of love to that samidha, the thought, that word, that deed. When we should put it in that yajna. That is what life is, an yajna. Then whatever that will become yajnam and you will get the 100% fruitful result in your life. I made it. My darlings, I made it. Without vision, I thought my word is a weapon. My listening is an instrument. My action is the only way to prove. That's why my first friend is focus. There is another brother to that first friend. That is, we know how to deal with winning, how to deal with success. When you get success, you will jump, you will be in joy. Hooray, I got good marks. Hooray! But we are not aware of dealing with failures. We are not aware of the dealing procedure of failures, where I have focused not on my potentialities, but also I have focused on my failures, because it is a failure for the others in my, if I get anything, if I lose anything, it is a failure for others to comprehend, to understand that Bharadwaj has failed. It is a failure term for that, but in my way, it is not a failure. It is a learning. It is learning, and it is learning for me. Understand, my children? Understand, my children? We must learn how to deal with failures. We must learn how to deal with. Tell me, we must learn how to deal with. Never cry, never weep, never fall down, never discourage. Your appointment with disappointment will create all the rubbish in your life, not attending, not having a full one fresh step towards the success. Please cancel the appointments with disappointments. My dear darlings, we must learn how to deal with. How to deal with? How to deal with? Shall we cry? Shall we weep? Shall we get discouraged? Shall we get disappointed? Shall we get depressed? Shall we feel tense? Shall we feel stress? Shall we feel pressure? You feel one thing. I'm having a golden opportunity to learn. To learn not only in subjects but in anything. You learn out of your failure. I tell you, my dear darlings, one day that failure will fail and it will be the security wala for the success, and doing salute all the way to your winning star. So, what is the first friend? And dealing with the failure. Can we deal? Can we deal? We think that we are all leading our lives. L-E-A-D. Lead our life. No, don't lead your life. Life is just a combination of few incidents and few situations. Never lead the life. Ever deal the situations. How best that you can deal the situation. How best I can deliver this talk. How best that I can deliver this session is that much efficient. I'm in my life at this point of time. Am I right or not? If I'm very best at this session, at this point of time, in my point of life, I'm the best of this hour. I'm the best of this moment. Ever deal every situation, every circumstance in a most focusful and positive way of approach. Only never allow. I will tell you later on. The second friend starts. What is it? Real values. What is it? Real? What is the spelling of real? R-E-A-L. Stop. These four are the real values. R, realize. Shh. R, realize. Realize why you are born. Realize the purpose of your life. Realize the cause of your birth. Realize I told you three things. Realize first I told, realize the first cause of my birth. Tell. Purpose of my life. Why I am born. We are not just born to live, to study, to get education, to get good employment, to earn money, to earn flats and cars, and to roam in the flights. We are not just born for this. It must be achieved. By the side of all these things, we must be the light of this world. Light of this world. We must.
Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box, and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.